Hello HCMC stockholders, how are you my friends? So this time the HCMC stock unbelievable changes occur my friends. You know what my friends, from this price chart that's clear everything the changes occur in the HCMC stock is clearly for all of you my friends. Just look here my friends. Now this time the price chart explosion you can see here. So that's really great good news for all HCMC stockholders that now at the last day the price of the HCMC stock jumped my friends. And you know what my friends, in the July month if we do technical analysis of the price of the HCMC stock, so I think the price of the HCMC stock is going to increase my friends. And you know what my friends, my prediction about HCMC stock is 100% positive. I believe my friends, I'm sure about HCMC stock that they will give you profit, not a loss my friends. So HCMC stock would be satisfied with your profit my friends. You can't lose. You can see that if we do technical analysis of the price chart, so I think that I know it's sometime you can see here, I'm talking about like this. It's sometime the price of the HCMC stock is priced down, going down. You can see here, but now you can see here a lot of people it just comes fast down, take a huge pump. For some time price fast down, take a jump. Fast down, take a jump. So it's a really procedure of the cryptocurrencies market. But you can see here, if we talk about the price changes of the HCMC stock, so this time the HCMC is going neutral. 0% changes occur in the HCMC stock, and now 0.001111 USD dollar is the current price of the HCMC stock, and that's the current price is the highest price of the HCMC stock. That is the last one day update of the HCMC stock. So my friends, I'm sure that HCMC stock is going better, not bad my friends. If you want to invest more in the HCMC stock, so I think that's not a bad idea for all of you my friends. Invest more and more in a HCMC stock because the procedure, the price update of the HCMC stock is going good. Thanks for watching this video. Please share your opinion in the comment box about HCMC stock. How do you feel today about HCMC? Share your opinion. Subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.